Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Apple ID you forgot the password for. Type the email into the Apple ID sign-in page. Once done, choose Forgot Password and pick the verification method. Use a trusted device or phone number. You do this because Apple requires proof you own the account. Two-factor verification prevents unauthorized access. If the trusted device rings or shows a prompt, follow it immediately. Make sure notifications are enabled and keep the device unlocked to receive the code. Once you receive the verification prompt or SMS code, approve it on the trusted device or enter the code on the sign-in screen. If Apple asks for your device passcode, enter it to confirm physical control. This is why a trusted device speeds recovery. If you don't have a trusted device, start account recovery and follow the email or recovery contact instructions. This can take days. Then create a new, strong password. Use uncommon words, numbers, and symbols so your account remains secure. After resetting, sign in on your iPhone, iPad, Mac, and any other devices so Icloud and services reconnect. This avoids sync errors. Make sure to update passwords stored in apps and Keychain and enable two-factor authentication if not already on. It prevents future lockouts. If something goes wrong, like no trusted device or delayed recovery, wait the specified verification period and double-check your trusted phone number. If recovery still stalls, contact Apple support and provide any requested account details to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.